Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to check your 3 UK SIM number on both iPhone and Android devices. So let's get started. First, if you're using an iPhone, open Settings and use the search bar at the top, then search for Phone. Scroll down and tap Phone. Here you'll see your number section. That's your 3 SIM number. For Android users, open Settings, then scroll down and tap About Phone. Next, choose SIM card status or status information to view details like your SIM number or mobile number. And that's it. You've successfully found your 3 SIM number in just a few taps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.